If you are thinking of connecting 2, 3 or more polytanks with this structure of polytank stand to any other buildings, whether a single building or multiple ones, you can look up to this procedure how I did connect all of them so that all the polytanks will be supplying at the same time. Look at it. This is a 2-story building structure. This is a 2-story building. We have our outlet and this is our inlet, and this is how it goes up there. We are going to check where you see the T-joint. We are going up there to check how we did the connection. Know that additional water tank can be installed at this flow level in addition to the 2 we have up there. So now we are moving up. We have cut this side. It can also be a supply to other structure or building. This is the one that's 25 mm size of PVC, which is supplying the polytank, filling it up, and at the same time it is filling the one on top. So this is our connection. This is the connection. This is the connection. See the connection. See the connection. See the connection. So this is the 25 mm size to the top. So it supplies both at the same time. And the one which is supplying the building, this building, which is supplying the building, is having a non-return valve. This non-return valve prevents water from coming from the top polytank to the lower one. So it means that both the top and the down polytank is supplying at the same time. So we are checking up there to see the one at the top. Here we come at the top of the building of the polytank stand. This is the inlets of the water tank. There's an inlet, you see that? And this is the outlet. So the outlet goes there and join the outlet of the next water tank. That's it. Please, if you found our video to be very useful, kindly subscribe, like and share our videos.